are we today? Welcome back into the greenhouse. If we haven't met already, I am Sam. I'm your plant collector in Melbourne. And today's video, we have another unboxing. Because Sam suppliers are providing me with amazing plants and so fast. It's honestly to the point where Sam can't keep up with what she's ordering. I know all of you really enjoy a good unboxing, so sit down, chill out with me, maybe grab a tea, grab a coffee, grab a fur baby, give them some cuddles while you watch me open some awesome plants that are going to be coming to this shop. Now, before I actually start my unboxing, there are a few updates that I would love to tell you, particularly to my beautiful plant people in Melbourne. I will be doing 2 pop-up stores, and that is probably why you will be seeing lots of unboxings here on my channel. Sam is stocking up her plants to make sure that I'm providing you with a great variety. Let me just get my diary out. On April the 24th and the 25th, I will be doing an event with Botanica Melbourne. They have this incredible event space that they haven't been able to use up until now. So we'll be doing a pop-up there where I'll be providing you with all of your plants, care and accessories. There will definitely be food and coffee on the table and we can just hang out. So that's going to be really exciting, hence why I'm getting lots and lots of plants. On the 8th of May, I'm also doing another pop-up. I have a stall at the Rare Plant Market. Again, that is an event that is, I believe, 2 days. It's a Saturday and a Sunday. Unfortunately, I won't be there on the Sunday, but I'll be there on the 8th. So if you're free, please head on over, grab your ticket. I'll put some links down below as well as some information if you need. I will be there with Haley and Jake. We're going to be selling some amazing plants because Sam is also going on a trip to Cairns. So I'm going to be coming back with lots and lots of plants for you guys to put in the store, but mostly to be putting for sale for my Melburnians in pop-ups. But of course, I will also be putting stuff on the website as well. Stay tuned for that because I'm going to be doing a huge vlog of my Cairns trip. That's going to be an adventure in itself. Got to stop rambling and start opening up this box. Don't have my Knefe with me today and I will just need to be using scissors. So let's open this puppy up. Unfortunately, I don't have a container to put all of the newspaper. Packaged up Sunday, mailed out Monday, and now it is Thursday. So they haven't been in the box for that long. I was getting a little worried because it is long weekend this week while I'm filming. So I was a bit worried that they wouldn't be coming on time, but they have made it, thankfully. Here I've got plenty of little gorgeous Syngonium Mojitos. Now these are, I believe, cuttings. So these ones will be staying in my care for a little while, at least until I can get them to grow a new leaf and hopefully bring out some more variegation and more mojitos. Even though right now they're just looking like normal syngoniums, but my supplier has told me that with every new leaf, they should start getting back their pattern. Seriously, don't even remember what I've ordered! But this makes it way more fun, in my opinion. Not only is it a surprise for you guys, but it is also a surprise for me. Now, these are the ones that I'm really excited about. I do have a couple of these already in the shop. We've got a gorgeous little cream splash, a philodendron cream splash, and a lot of people end up asking me, Sam, what's the difference between a cream splash and a Brazil? The cream splash, I'm not sure if you can see there, just those. So we've got kind of like a limey yellowy color, then like a cream and green. In a Brazil, it's normally just say a yellow and a green. So that is what a cream splash looks like, and it is so freaking adorable. This is so much fun. It's like a digging for planty treasures. Another round Plowmanii because Sam cannot help herself. Plowmanii are seriously one of my favorite philodendron, and this little guy is so cute. And that's actually a new leaf there, so luckily it didn't get harmed in shipping. So I'll probably have to just make sure that this guy recovers and then definitely going straight into the shop. Cutie. Oh, amazing. Okay, so this one is actually huge. This is a Philodendron Eximium, which I also got from my supplier last time. So this one is looking a lot more established. We've got plenty and plenty of nodes. It looks a little bit more juvenile, I can tell just by the leaves, but it looks like we've got a lot more nodes to play with. So I might even chop this one up depending on how I feel. I personally believe this is a really underrated philodendron. So it may not look like anything amazing right now, but once it gets the textures and the pillowiness of the heart-shaped leaves, I think this is such a beautiful, beautiful plant. So this one here is another Philodendron Majestic, which is a hybrid philodendron of a Verrucosum and a Soderoy. So this one, he's looking a little bit damaged, a little bit manky. We do have a new leaf on the way, which is always very promising. I always really love the new growth, which is like the Verrucosum abaxial, or the back of the leaf is always like super red and delicious. So I love, love, love that. This is a little baby Philodendron Gloriosum. So I actually have like a big mama plant of Gloriosum, and it just sits at the very front of the greenhouse. I've had to chop it down so many times, so I actually have quite a few big cuttings of Gloriosum, but so because I do know that a lot of people like to buy smaller plants rather than the big established ones. Personally, I really love buying the big established ones, but I know that is not for everyone. I thought I'd buy a smaller version as well in case other people would enjoy that. So it looks like we still have 3 plants to go. This one I was so excited about, because I have one of these myself, but not a big specimen. So I'm wondering, should Sam keep this for herself or put it in the show? This is a Philodendron Atabapoense, and it is another really underrated plant to my belief. So it is long like a billieti. The color, if you get the right color, actually this one is a beautiful color. It's like a bluey green hue. The back, oh my goodness, the back is amazing. The petioles actually are, the older ones are green, but the newer ones are like orangey or red. It very much reminds me of a billietiae or a billieti, but just the colors of these are phenomenal. So I've got a little baby one. I'll go grab it. So this one I actually bought from Fitzroy Nursery way back when. I feel like it was a couple of months ago, and this is her. She's quite little, but she's starting to get her shape and size, which has been really beautiful. I wonder if the color is a bit the same. Oh, okay, cool. So what I've been noticing with Atabapoenses is that the backs can be different in color. So this one here looks more of like a red. I'm not sure if that's picking up on camera, but my older one is more of like a purple back. Interesting. Beautiful nonetheless. And I think even the color, this one is definitely more of like a bluer hue in comparison to this one. This one's a little bit more green, but I wonder if that's just because it's juvenile. But definitely I love this one. I might actually cut this one up and keep a little bit to myself. And that is why I love having a plant shop. Well, this has got to be one of my favorites that has come. Another little baby Gloriosum. Aren't they just so cute? There is something about little plants, I just don't know why. They're so adorable. The last but very not least is this beautiful Philodendron Plow/Tenue. Another one. Yes, Sam got another one. She's looking a little bit rough just because that the new leaf has really probably been dehydrated and had a bit of a hard time kind of hardening up, because of course it is in a box with no light. I might actually do a video of what I do in terms of not really rehabilitation, because these plants are all really healthy, but in terms of getting them from something like this, which is pretty much postage stress, to something a little bit more healthy and less flimsy looking. Let me know if you'd be interested in that. But that's it. That's all of the plants. Let's see how many plants I ended up ordering today. 13. I ended up getting 13 plants in this mail. I'm just so surprised that 13 plants can fit in one large AusPost box, and hopefully they will be having a new homes with you guys, and hopefully I can get this all ready for you for the pop-ups. Thank you so much for hanging out in the greenhouse with me once again. I am going to go straight into the warehouse or my parents' garage. I'll put all the names of the plants in the description, as well as all of the event details, and if you need anything, please feel free to comment. I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah!